Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the flat lay mug mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give us a couple of options, so we'll click on the playful Pixlr X and then click Open Image to open up the mockup. We'll find the ping file and click Open. It'll ask us if we want to size the image down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll click Original and then Apply to open the original size. How to add our design to the mug. We'll click this bottom icon on the left side that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then we'll click Browse and find the image off the computer. It'll ask us if we want to create a new document or add it to the current. We'll just click Add Current. You'll probably need to resize it. So to do that, hold down the Shift key and then just drag any one of the four corners. And then when you've got it sized about right, just click and drag it into place. You can also change the blend mode if you want to by clicking the icon with the three dots up here in the Layers panel. And that'll open up the Layers menu. You can just click the drop down menu underneath Blend Mode and change None to Multiply. And then to add a background, just go back here and click Browse again. And then find your background. Of course, when you see the Open Image dialog box, you can click Add Current again. And it might paste the background on top of the other layers. If it does, you need to click the little padlock icon in the background layer to make sure it's no longer locked. Actually, double click the padlock icon. That'll unlock the bottom layer. Now you can click on your background layer and just drag it to the bottom. And then when you're done, just click this Save button down here. If you're going to use this online, like on Etsy, you're going to want to save a JPEG. So we'll click JPEG and change the quality to 100, leaving it on high. And then we'll click Download. And it's just going to let us know the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give us an option to change that folder if we want to. You can also come back here again and click Save a second time, and then select PXD to download a layered Pixlr document if you want to do that. And that's all there is to adding your design and editing the mockup in Pixlr. Please message me if you have any questions at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.